If you are using AliExpress for your dropshipping in 2020, you are doing it wrong. Okay, so today we will talk about why you should not use AliExpress for your dropshipping in 2020, because there are a lot of alternatives to it. Okay, the first thing we want to talk about is the cons of AliExpress. Okay, mostly shipping takes 3+ weeks, so if your shipping takes more than 3+ weeks in 2020, you will get a lot of customer refunds, chargeback, and all those stuff, and your customer feedback score will be low, and Facebook will ban you, and all that stuff. Okay, so to survive in dropshipping in 2020, you need to have a faster shipping. That's it. Okay, so the first con is shipping is too long in AliExpress. Okay, so the second thing is that order fails to sync sometimes in overload desires Shopify. Okay, so sometimes the order can't sync and you have a lot of problem to manually fulfill the order, and that's a big headache. Okay, lastly, it is difficult to manage order as order number in AliExpress and your Shopify store are different. Okay, so in your Shopify store the order number may be 1065, but in the AliExpress it can be something like 70945725543. Okay, so that is kind of hard if the customer asks you the tracking number and all those stuff. If you want to find it, you have to go to AliExpress and you have to look by looking at the customer name or the address or whatever. Okay, because the order number is not the same, it's difficult to manage. Okay, these are the cons of AliExpress. So now we will come to what can be the alternative to this. Okay, so okay, so what is the alternative to AliExpress? It is using CJ dropshipping. Okay, if you haven't heard of that, it's okay, we will talk about it right now. Okay, this is what my students use in our mentorship program. Okay, our other member student, which means our other mentor student, use other platform, not CJ dropshipping. I will talk about that later in the video. Okay, but all my students use CJ dropshipping. Okay, if you want to apply for our mentorship, you can just send us a text message in our Facebook page. Link is in description. Okay, we have 2 more spots left for February 2020, so if you want to apply for that, there is still space for you. Okay, so what is CJ dropshipping? It is a site, also available as an app, where you can buy dropshipping products and also fulfill your store's orders. Okay, so it's basically a site like AliExpress where you can buy products for dropshipping and also you can fulfill it in the site itself. Okay, also it is an app, but it is not available in the Shopify app store. You have to install the app externally from CJ dropshipping website. Okay, so what is the benefits? Okay, the benefits: you don't need any other app like Overload, Desires, Dropify, etc. to fulfill order. You can do it automatically in the site itself. Okay, so you don't need no minimum order quantity. You can use it for testing. Okay, it is basically an agent, but you don't need any minimum order quantity like 20 orders a day, 30 orders a day, like that. You can just use it for testing. Even for one sale you can use CJ dropshipping. Okay, and it has a fast 10 to 15 days shipping via CJ packet. Okay, so most orders you can ship it with CJ packet in 10 to 15 days. Okay, it has fast bulk order fulfillment. Even if you have 1000 orders in a day, you can fulfill it in just a matter of minutes. Okay, so not fulfilling like the overload, you have to fulfill one by one. It doesn't work like that. You can fulfill all orders all at once. Okay, as simple as that. Most products are cheaper in CJ dropshipping than in AliExpress. Okay, that I have added cheaper than in AliExpress. Okay, and easy to manage orders as the order number in CJ dropshipping and Shopify store are the same. Okay, so like I said before, that it is difficult to manage order in AliExpress and your Shopify store, but in CJ dropshipping the order number will be the same. Okay, active and helpful live chat. Okay, they have live support, and their support is very helpful, and you can use it every time, and they will answer to your questions. And okay, that they are very helpful. You can even ask them for their WhatsApp number, their Skype number, and all those things, and they are very helpful. Okay, but what are the cons of scissor dropshipping? Okay, the first thing is that not all products in AliExpress can be shorts. That means not all products in AliExpress can be found in scissor dropshipping. About 5 to 10% cannot be shorts. Okay, out of 10 products I tested, around 9 products we can find it in scissor dropshipping, but one of them we failed to find in scissor dropshipping, like that. Okay, you got the point. Not all products has CJ packet shipping. Okay, CJ packet has a 10 to 15 days shipping, but you cannot ship all products by CJ packet. Example, you cannot ship liquid products. Example, you cannot ship magnetic products by CJ packet. That's a big con of CJ dropshipping. Okay, and also you can't use CJ packet for all the countries in the world. It is limited to some particular countries, but almost all the top countries you can dropship has CJ packet. Okay, for big or heavy products, shipping fee is big, and so it is much cheaper in AliExpress. Okay, so if you want to market a big or a heavy product, the shipping fee is big in scissor dropshipping, and so the price in AliExpress becomes much more cheaper. I also have a personal problem with scissor dropshipping. They fail to take responsibility. Okay, for their own mistake, we have lost $500 plus during Halloween. This is a bad reputation for their brand. Okay, so what happens is that I was selling a product, and after I met a number of sales, they told me that they can't ship the product anymore, and I told them that why can't you have to ship it. I have paid for the apps, and I have paid for the Facebook ads, right? And you cannot get a refund for the Facebook ads. Okay, I told them that I have spent more than $300 on just Facebook ads to sell the product, and why you said you can't ship. And they told me that if you want to ship it, you have to pay for or you have to pay around $200 more to ship it. Okay, which means I have to pay them another $200 to ship what I have already sold. Okay, and the reason for that is that the product is big one, and they have problem in shipping. Like I said, for big or heavy product, shipping fee is big, and so it is much cheaper on AliExpress. Okay, but initially they priced the product around $20 in their site, so I think I can sell it for around $45 and I can make profit, and I did. And later they said that I need to pay extra for shipping. Okay, so that's not good. So be careful when you are selling big or heavy products. First, contact your agent, and that can help you out. Okay, make sure that the price they have in your site is the one they will be charging you when you are paying for it. Okay, for small products it's fine, but make sure you contact the agent first before you sell big or heavy products. Okay, so why don't people use scissor dropshipping if it has a lot of benefits? Even though it has some cons, it do have a lot of benefits, a lot of pros. Okay, so why do people don't use scissor dropshipping? It is because lack of knowledge how scissor dropshipping works and its benefits. As simple as that. Okay, so here are the notes. As long as the product you sell can be sourced and shipped via scissor packet, use scissor dropshipping. It's the best you can use for starting as a dropshipper. Okay, for those big products with large shipping fee, make sure to compare the price with AliExpress. If it's just $1 or $2 more in scissor dropshipping, it's better to use scissor dropshipping, as it will deliver the product a lot faster. Remember, customer satisfaction is most important. Okay, in 2020, if your delivery times are too long, you will have Facebook ban, your ad account shut down, and all those stuff. So make sure that the shipping is fast, and make sure to use scissor dropshipping as long as possible. Okay, even if you have to use AliExpress, you can't source it because you can't source it through scissor dropshipping or the price is high. Make sure to contact the supplier in AliExpress and make sure they are reliable and responsive. It's a big headache when you get hundreds of sales and all of them end up refunded or charged back, okay? Because AliExpress seller, you can't always trust. They have problem. They will not ship the product, they will ship it only after 10 to 15 days, and it takes around 2 months to reach your customer. They are not happy. They give you a bad feedback score in Facebook. Your Facebook account may get banned and all the stuff. So make sure you contact the AliExpress supplier before you even drop ship from AliExpress, and make sure they can ship it fast for you, okay? That's all. So the last thing is that like I said, I personally, me and my students are using Caesar dropshipping, but our other members, our other mentors in e-commerce winners have started testing alternatives like udroppy.com, shortchinbox.com. okay, those are alternatives to Caesar dropshipping, and we will give you an update in a while, and that's it, okay? So but I personally still use Caesar dropshipping and I love it, okay? So if you get some value, make sure you do leave a like and also subscribe to our channel. It is new, and click on the bell icon so that you get notification when we upload a new video about tips and hacks of dropshipping. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.